In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request and recall the email approval in HubSpot. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account and that you have the right permissions to work with marketing emails and approvals. Some approval options only appear if your account has the approvals feature enabled by an admin. Start by opening the trial guide in your HubSpot portal. Think of the trial guide as a quick launchpad that highlights key tools and shortcuts you'll use during setup and evaluation. From there, open the More menu to expand the product options. This reveals additional hubs and tools that aren't on the primary navigation, making it easy to jump straight into the marketing workspace. Next, choose Marketing to switch into the area where campaigns, assets, and analytics live. Once you're in Marketing, select Email to open the Email tool. Here you'll see your drafts, scheduled messages, and sent emails, along with their status and performance. It helps to rename drafts clearly so you can find them at a glance. From the list, click the email you want to work on. This opens the email editor where you can review content, settings, and recipients. Take a moment to scan subject lines, preview text, and key modules so you know exactly what reviewers will see. With the email open, go to Preview and Test. This panel is your quality control headquarters. Use it to see how the message renders on desktop and mobile, check personalization tokens, confirm smart content variations, and send test emails to yourself or teammates. If approvals are enabled in your account, this is also where you can view the current approval status and manage the approval flow. You'll typically find controls here to submit an approval request, along with the option to recall a pending request if you spot changes you need to make. A quick tip: before you request approval, add a concise internal note or comment summarizing what changed and what you want reviewers to focus on. It speeds up feedback and reduces back and forth. If you notice an issue after requesting approval, recalling the request pulls it back so you can continue editing without sending more notifications until it's ready again. Once everything looks right in Preview and Test and your checks are green, proceed with your team's standard approval action from this panel. After approval, you'll be able to schedule or send the email according to your workflow. And that's the process. You navigated from the trial guide to Marketing, opened the email tool, selected your message, and used Preview and Test to request or recall approval while validating how the email will appear to recipients. If you don't see approvals, check with your admin to confirm the feature and your permissions.